Hey guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna. Today we are going to be making scrumptious, delicious French toast with strawberry cream cheese filling, guys. Let's do it. Can't wait to show you guys, so let's just jump right in. For this recipe, you are going to want to use brioche bread. Regular white bread is okay, but it does not taste the same at all. And you're also going to need some extra butter for actually making the French toast. You're going to want to soak your bread and your mixture for about 1 second on each side. You don't want to leave it there for it to get too soggy. You just kind of pass it through, you get it submerged, you get it nice and wet in your mixture, and then you're going to want to put it in your pan on medium heat. Allow your butter to heat up, and that's going to fry your French toast really nicely. And then you're going to want to flip it only one time and then remove it from the fire once it's golden brown. For the strawberry cream cheese filling, I'm gonna go ahead and include all the ingredients in the description box, but it's really simple to make. So you're just using some cream cheese, adding a little bit of milk to it. You can go ahead and use heavy cream or half and half, whatever you prefer. You just use some powdered sugar, some strawberry extract, and a little bit of salt. Mix everything together, and that's it. Fruits go really well with cream cheese icing and French toast. I actually had some sliced strawberries and some blackberries with mine, but you can actually have any fruit that you want. I also made some hash browns and some sausages to go along with my French toast, and everything came out super delicious. Okay guys, so now here's the fun part. This is where you get to assemble your French toast. Now you essentially done with your French toast. You can just put it on a plate, put some syrup, have your fruits and some cream cheese, and eat it. Easy, right? But that's not how we do it in this kitchen. We like it the hard way. So what I'm doing is I am slicing my French toast diagonally, and I just added my cream cheese in a little Ziploc bag, and I'm just adding the cream cheese in the middle of the toast, the sliced toast, and I'm gonna garnish with some fruits, and I'm just making it really pretty for you guys. This is really fun, assembling it and making it look pretty. This dish is so easy to make and it's so pretty. You guys are just gonna have to make it and let me know what you think. It was just so delicious. And of course I made a full breakfast. I made some sausages, I made some hash browns, and when I tell you, once I put the finishing touches on my French toast with the powdered sugar, it was just so pretty, so yummy. Anyway guys, make sure you try this dish and let me know how it goes. Reach out to me in the comments. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will do my best to respond. Until next time guys, bye.
I can't breathe without you.